Alrighty, so today I'm going to show you how to draw a chicken head. So what you want to do is draw an upside down view, just like that. Then you're going to draw a triangle, a right triangle that's kind of flipped, almost like that. Okay? This is also called the inverse Pythagorean theorem. It's not important. And then you gotta do one similar but symmetrical, just like that. And now you're gonna draw the eyes. Make sure it's not too far apart, but you could do so if you want to. What I like to do is make a little bit of a triangle, like someone took a slice of pizza out of the eye, just like that. And the reason why I do that is because it represents the lighting bouncing off the eye. Just puts more character into the chicken head, right? If you want to draw some eyebrow, you may do so. You could do a line or a check mark like that, pretty easy. And you're gonna draw like a number 3, like that, and up on the top of the head, just like that. And then you gotta do multiple 3's, U's, W's, like that. And you can add a little bit more detail by, put some lines over here, represent the feathers. Give it more of a uniqueness to the chicken head. And we'll call him Duck. It's like Puck. Duck. His name is Duck. And there you have it. This is how you draw a chicken head.